The last part of this tutorial on building your gallery is going to show you how to add a simple rule, class rule, to style the thumb images so that they're all the same. So we're going to give ourselves a little bit more room. I'm going to close the code window down a little bit, and we're going to go straight into CSS Designer here, we are going to make sure that we select, because now we have two style sheets, we've got to select which style sheet we're going to work in. And we're going to work in our desktop CSS here, keep working in our own style sheet. And I'm going to click on the selector, and I'm going to create a class rule by typing in the period, and I'm going to call this image gallery TMB for thumb, image gallery thumb, and hit return. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to click on width, go to pixels, and I'm going to set the width to 150 pixels wide by 150 pixels high. And I'm also going to add a little padding. So we're going to add a bit of padding just to make sure that each image has 3 pixels of padding around it so that they don't bump up against each other. And to do that, I'm going to simply click inside here, type in 3 on the left padding, and then I'm going to go to the click to change all the properties icon here in the middle, click on that, and that gives me 3 pixels padding all around. You can do more if you want. You can add borders and all sorts of things to your image, but this will do for the moment. So now I've got my rule here, a class rule. I'm going to close the CSS Designer window. I'm going to click on the first image, and down in the Property Inspector, you'll see that there's a class rule pop-up menu here. We've used this before for inline images. We're going to click on that now, and there is our new rule, image gallery thumb. I'm going to click on that, and hopefully it changed it. I'm going to click on the next image, apply the same rule. You can see it's skewed this a little bit, but it's not too bad. At least it looks in keeping with the other image. And notice that I've got this nice little 3 pixels of padding around the edge. Click on the next image, image gallery thumb, the last image, image gallery thumb. And so now all of my images are looking pretty good here. Once again, I'll preview it quickly in the browser, just make sure everything works. Yes, save it. All the images look the same size. They've got 3 pixels padding in between them. I click on them, the JavaScript works, and so all's good, except that my link home works from my page, but if I want to get to the gallery, I can't get there because I forgot to change the link on my home page. Also, a couple of things are wrong. The name of my page is Untitled Document. If I go back to the gallery, the same with the gallery page. The gallery page also is Untitled Document. So I need to fix the links and the name of the documents. To do that, I toggle back to Dreamweaver. And first thing I'm going to do is go open up my index page. And to do that, I go to the Files panel, and I'm going to double click on index.html, close this, and so there's the gallery link. I'm going to highlight that, and notice that there's a null link in there. When we didn't have the gallery page, now we do, and I'm just going to type in gallery.html. You could also use the point to file tool or the browse to file, but it's pretty easy to just type in gallery.html. Going to click return to execute that. We still don't have an About Me page. I'm going to leave everything else the same, but I'm going to save this file now. So I've fixed that link. And if I go back to the gallery page, well, the home link works because I copied it from the home page, so I know that works. And the gallery, I need to fix this as well. Once again, even though it's the same page, we may use it again. So I'm going to just make sure that that link is correct. And So we've done that. The last thing we need to do is to fix the name of these pages. So this is the gallery page. I'm going to call it, go down to the property inspector, and there's a field called document title, and I'm going to put in my gallery for this page and go to the index page, and I'm going to say my home page. You can put your own name in there or whatever you want to do. So I've now fixed the name on both pages. I've fixed the links. I can go back, preview the whole site so far in Safari. So I click home, it takes me home. I click gallery, it takes me to the gallery. The images work. The page titles are working. Well, wait. No, the index page is not working. So I toggle back to Dreamweaver, click on the index page, save it, make sure that it's saved. It's got my home page here, and preview it. And now it's correct, my home page, so I just didn't save it. So now I'm ready to just connect to the server and upload my entire site to the web, and that's this tutorial.